Are you afraid that markets are overvalued? Do not worry, I will give you an undervalued stock. What should I steal? Perfect. Nomad Foods is a frozen foods company. They have iconic brands which I never heard of them, but most important thing of all is that they have 6% dividend. If passive income stock good, in the past 5 years they collapsed 60%. Is it a buying opportunity or value trap? Let's find out. Here's P ratio and price to cash flows ratio. During the clown market of 2021,
Jeremy, talk about TDCF stuff. Jeremy.
they had higher valuation, but since then the stock price goes nothing but down. The revenue is stagnating and in the past quarters it starts even declining. So it's not a 1000x growth stock, forgive me. But instead of a growth story you have buybacks and dividends. You already know a dividend yield, but Nomad purchased back over 40 million of its shares. Also stock analysis tells that insiders own 16% of all shares. 2 months ago they have increased their stake even more. So I guess with its stable boring business, low valuation, dividend won't be cut and the buybacks will continue. Probably. I'm not a financial expert, but you should totally join my course.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Public count hitting a new...
But what about the risk? They have debt 2.3 billion. It's kinda stable and it's not too much, but this brings us to the second risk. What if there's recession? What if interest rates rise up? We haven't got an economic crisis since 2008. Pandemic doesn't count. As a consumer, I believe that we are closer than further to a recession. Besides, the economy received a bonus in the past months.
But it's a sacrifice I am willing to make.
Help me. Thirdly, there's no business mode. I mean, this is just a frozen food company. They say those are iconic brands, but are they? Do they have any advantage against the competition? I won't expect any growth from this company, but despite this, you already saw the title of this video. My intrinsic value calculation is that nobody will watch this video, so if you enjoy it, you can subscribe. I don't like Nomad's debt, but I like buybacks and dividends at current valuation. Is it better than this pyramid scheme? Yeah, probably. If you are a filthy degenerate trader, you can even speculate that this stock will return to its 2025 levels. But whatever you do, don't go all in this stock. This is rather for diversified portfolio, not for a concentrated one. But you know, instead of wasting time watching videos about individual stocks, you can just buy an ETF, retard.